Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix volume controls being locked on your MacBook, where the volume keys stop working or the sound slider appears disabled. This usually happens due to wrong output settings, system glitches, or audio routing to another device. Let's fix it step by step. First, the quickest fix is to check your sound output. Click the Apple menu and open System Settings. Then scroll down and click Sound. Under the Output section, make sure the correct speakers are selected. If another device like an external monitor is selected, your volume keys may appear locked or not respond. Once you switch back to your speakers, try using the volume keys again. Next, check the output volume slider in the same menu. If it is completely grayed out or stuck, click on the output device again to refresh it. Sometimes simply reselecting MacBook speakers restores control instantly and unlocks the volume buttons. If this still doesn't work, disconnect any external audio devices. Turn off Bluetooth from the menu bar and unplug any headphones or speakers. Then reconnect your devices. This forces macOS to reset the audio routing. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Another useful fix is restarting core audio. Sometimes the system audio process gets stuck, which disables volume control. A simple restart of your Mac will reset this automatically and bring back normal volume key behavior. Finally, check if your keyboard settings are interfering. Go to System Settings, then Keyboard, and make sure standard function keys are enabled so your volume keys are recognized correctly. And that's it. Your MacBook volume control should now be unlocked and working again.